Yes, what's up, legends? What's up, money makers? Welcome back to the Anonymous YouTube channel. So, guys, here we go again, guys. Let's try analyzing some assets. We see what today has for us. So, currently, guys, today it's a Monday, guys. Let's try analyzing. We see what today has for us. Not only today, let's see what the whole week has for us. So, guys, currently, what you are seeing, I won't be wasting a lot of your time. How did you know? So, currently, what you are seeing, guys, this is the DXY. And, guys, I told you whenever you are going to trade any asset, always first check its index. So, currently, what we are seeing, this is the DXY. Let's see what the DXY has for us. So guys, if we find out that the DXY is currently selling, guys, we should be looking for buying opportunities on the Euro USD, GBP USD, on gold. So guys, even very recently we provided some setups. Those that took advantage. I'm pretty sure that you made some money. So guys, let's not waste a lot of time. Let's analyze. We see what the DXY has for us. So guys, currently what you are seeing, that this is a 30-minute time frame, and currently we saw that the DXY was currently in an uptrend. As you can see right here, the DXY was currently in an uptrend. But later on, we found that the DXY started breaking with huge momentum to the downside. That shows that this asset has already started changing the structure. So currently, we saw this price was currently creating higher highs, higher lows. But currently, we see here this asset never created another higher high, which indicates us that this asset has changed the trend. So currently, as you can see, this DXY is no longer in an uptrend. So guys, right now we should be looking for selling opportunities. Cause reason why, guys, we see this asset is now floating, going down. So for it, we should be looking for selling opportunities on it, just to fulfill this word that you shouldn't go against that trend. So let's see, if we try analyzing, we see what the DXY has for us. So guys, for me, if I'm going to analyze, I always use the line chart. I always use the line chart. As you can see, we shall first go into the line chart. We see how we can analyze this DXY. We see how we shall get some pips out of it. So currently, as you can see, if we try drawing our line, we can all see that the DXY is currently in a downtrend. So here we received some momentum, some momentum. Some of the traders will think that this momentum will be at least covered half of it. But let's analyze. We see how we are going to capture some moves here. And remember, guys, Monday always creates path. So currently, as you can see, if we draw our line, you can see that this asset is currently going down. And if we try drawing another line here down, let me see, let's draw it here. As you can see, it's touching very well. So if we pull harder, you can see that this asset was currently moving downside, then we had a breakout, then we are having what we call a retest. You get my point, guys? Let me show you this. So this asset, remember, is floating, going down. You see, breaking, going down, as you can see, but not breaking this previous highs. Breaking, going down, breaking, going down. But here we received some massive impulse, and then we received a retest, as you can see. So after receiving a retest, guys, we should be looking for more selling opportunities since it's a downtrend. And remember, guys, you should never trade against that trend. So guys, as you can see right here, let me zoom in so that you can see this well. Let me first remove this. Okay, let me remove this so that I can show you everything. Has Let me remove. And remember, guys, we have an ongoing program of funding traders. So guys, if you can make profits out of profits, guys, don't hesitate to DM us. And guys, in this, we don't mean those people that post blue screens, what, because even if you show me blue screens, it won't seduce me to fund you. All I want to see is your consistency. Can you make profit out of profits? Just to show me your history. As long as your history looks good, we are good to go, guys. I think I'm clear with that. So let's see how the DXY is moving. Currently, we can see this is a downtrend. Yes, we can see this is a downtrend. And if we draw another channel right here, we can see still this is a downtrend. So if we pull longer, we can see that it was a break and retest. Let me first clear this. Let me first show how it's supposed to. Okay, you can see how the touches are. You can see how market has been touching, and they say that the third touch is always the strongest. That's why we received some momentum. So currently, you can see. Let me go in lower time frames. We see what the DXY is holding for us. Let me see. Okay. So guys, here we received a certain breaker, some of the people that call price action. So what I want to see is that DXY again still breaking this range, because you can see this price. Let me use the bar chart. Let me use the bar chart so that you can see clear. Okay, there it is. So currently we saw this price just broke, then it made a retest right here. So what we are doing, we should be looking for selling opportunities from this range. But currently right now, what we are seeing, we are seeing some price action right here, that we saw this price moved down, back, get back in this range. Again, it reversed, it went back down, and then received some momentum that came in and broke this range. And then again, we see a retest. Get my point? So since I'm only interested in this asset going down, moving downside, so what I want to see is this asset at least breaking this range again up to reaching this zone. Then we start creating, we get a pullback, we get a pullback, we get a pullback up to reach into this zone. Then I sell more. You get my point? I sell more. Since we saw that the XY is currently flowing, going downside, so I'll only be interested in selling opportunities. So what I'm waiting right now is currently to see that the XY at least breaks this range. As you can see that this is the only range that is currently holding the XY to go down. So if they break this range here, and then I'll be waiting for a retest. As you know, we always trade the retests. So that I don't recommend people to just trade anyhow, but at least always wait for a retest. You get my point? Let this price break, then we receive a retest, then we shall be getting this asset down. So that's why I always recommend people to join our Telegram channel, so that we can keep you updated on anything that happens, because this asset may give an entry from here, 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 but I always at least try to get clear points that price may be able to make a pullback. So in this area right here, guys, you should be looking for selling opportunities, because even me, as you know always, guys, Monday creates path, and Monday might be a bit slow, but you never know, it may make some moves, because in our rules we always don't trade Monday. But very recently, last week, we managed to trade Monday and gave us some good pips. So guys, that's why you take opportunities, you try to grab that opportunity, even if it's you're not your trading day. Yeah, at times we are the one that create plans, but we create rules, but again rules are broken by people. People create rules, and again rules are broken by people. So at times just break your rules. Try to trade on Monday. You never know, even you can get something, and the other days may fail. So that's it, guys. Let's see how the DXY will react after the market has just opened. We see if they will create some gaps. What I'm pretty sure they will create some gaps. Then this pullback will cover up the gap right here. I'm only instead right now I'm only interested in the pullback. They give a pullback. Once they get into this range, I'll be looking for selling opportunities, taking the DXY more down on 101.476. And right here, I'm not yet pretty sure of which will be our entry point, because as you see, the market hasn't yet opened. Because if the market is still closed, you can't get clear points. But if the market is open, you can get clear points. So the market may open up with a gap. So that's why I tell you to join the Telegram group, so that we keep you updated. And those that are consistent traders, guys, you can still DM. We see how we can help you, as long as your history is good. Get my point? Not only showing blue screens, because blue screens mean nothing. Get my point? We only want consistent traders. Just show me your history. If your history is good, yeah, we move on, guys. We might find you. And about our giveaway, guys, we host giveaways, guys, daily. We host giveaway dailies. You can check my Telegram. You can check my Telegram in the about. You shall see that we do the giveaways daily. So guys, this is the DXY. Since the DXY, guys, we are more interested in the selling opportunities. So in other pairs, we should be looking for buying opportunities like the Euro USD, the gold. You get my point? Let me first go back to this DXY higher time frame. I show you why I've been looking for selling opportunities. So you can see right here, guys, it's currently moving down. You see, it's currently moving down. And later on, we saw this price broke structure. Then it has made a retest on that trend line. Trend line trade, as you see, this is a clear retest. So I think it's a good opportunity to look for more selling opportunities, but only if this range is broken. Get my point? Because this is the only range that is currently holding the DXY. Let me show you. Let me show you. You can see right here that the market moved down. It made a pullback. Then it moved down. It came back again in the same range, in the same zone. Then it moved down. Then we came in, we broke the range, and then it has retested, and again it has moved. So I'm interested in seeing that again they break this range. Now here on the pullback in the same range, as you can see that we have retested this range multiple times, as you can see. So I'm waiting for this price again to drop in this range, then I'll be taking that dip. You get my point? I'll be taking that dip. as I've told you, targeting, at least you have to leave some space for your spreads. At least we shall put RTP on 101.497. You get my point, guys? So since for the DXY we are looking for selling opportunities, let's see what the Euro USD is currently holding for us. Let's see what the Euro USD holding for us. Let me see. Okay, here is the Euro USD. Here is the Euro USD. Okay, let's use higher time frames. Let's use higher time frames. Let's see. Okay. So guys, this is for the Euro USD. You can see Euro USD. So Euro USD, the same applies on the Euro USD. So currently we are seeing that the Euro USD was currently also in the downtrend. You get my point? As you have seen on the DXY, that here the DXY was moving downside. Sorry, it was moving, yeah, downside. Long time ago it was moving upside as the what the Euro USD was moving down. So currently we saw that the DXY is currently moving down. So here you can see that the Euro USD is moving upside. That's what we call negative correlation. Get my point? But if you find an asset moving in the same direction, let's say the gold and the DXY moving in the same direction, consider that to be a positive correlation. Get my point, guys? So currently you can see that the Euro USD, I was more interested in this range right here. I was more interested in the range of 1.09789. I was interested in seeing the Euro USD at least going into this range right here. At least they hit this range, then we shall be reacting, but they never hit that range. But currently what we are seeing, let me first use the 5-minute time frame. Okay, okay. So even the Euro USD, the same applies on the Euro USD, as you can see. Let me show you. Let me show you this. Euro USD. So as you can see, Euro USD again. So Euro USD has this certain range where it's stuck. You see, we got this range. We took some entries on Friday from here. Then the market gave us some pips, but I was interested more in this range. They never hit this range, but good enough. We had applied our BE. Because whenever price moves, I tell my people to apply BE. So price moved but never hit our TP. Then this was the news events. Then they pushed the market back down. Remember, guys, in our rules, we don't trade Friday, but as I've told you, rules are created by people and still they are broken by people. So it's okay to take some advantage. If you find any opportunity in the market, just take it. So here, I woke up in the morning, I found this price was currently right here and it was moving. As you can see, this ranging area right here, this consolidation area, then received some, is it expand? How is it called? So then I told my people at least we wait for a pullback. After a pullback, we took our trades from here on Friday. Then we took the price. The TP1 was supposed to be on this previous swing high, but I decided we put our TP right here. That price never touched that range, so it came back. But good enough, we had applied our BEs, because whenever price moves, we apply BE. Yeah, because remember, guys, market is never your friend. So whenever you are deep in profits, at least apply BE. So this was the news events. They came in, they tried to hunt us, but good enough, BE was around to cover up. Well, the BE was able to stop what? Price from knocking us out. So that's it, guys. So here we can see this range. Currently, this range, you can see this range is currently strong for the Euro USD. As you can see that this range is strong. You see this price came, dropped here, then again it came back, it pushed up, then it tried to come back, it didn't touch, then they went up but not breaking this previous swing high, indicating you that this price, the bulls have started losing some energy. So they came in, they hunted. As you know, they had to remove all this liquidity that was created here. They hunted it, then they started moving up. But as you can see, someone will say, why did this price stop right here? Let me first show you this. Let me first show you. Wait, quickly on the 15 time frame. Okay, here it is. Let me show you why this price just stopped here. So guys, here we had an order block right here. You can see we had this order block right here. So if you try pulling it, you could have taken your entries from here. And still, if you pull from here, let me see here. Let me first see. No, sorry. Let me first get into lower time frames. So still, if you put your here, let me show you this. Still, you could have put here your TP on this. This is just for scalpers, those that love scalping. You could have scalped some pips from here. If I, what am I doing? Okay, you could have took some scalps making this your TP right here. This is could be your TP. So since that's not the case right now, because the price already has already moved, let's see how we are going to take some trades on the Euro USD. Okay, guys, remember on the DXY currently we are looking for selling opportunities. So meaning on the what? On the on the Euro USD, we should be looking for buying opportunities. For me, what I'm currently interested in is currently seeing this price moving up, because here we have a what? We have an order block here, right here. So what I'm interested in seeing is seeing this USD moving up. So here we shall be receiving some consolidation. Is it some consolidation? Then I could like to see this price dropping here. Here, some people will be looking for selling opportunities because we all know price may get back here. But remember, we shouldn't be going against the trend. This price may stop from here, then it drops here. Get my point? But currently, what I want to see is this price dropping here, then we go back. Get my point? You get my point, guys? So here we have an what, a bearish order block. You get my point? As you can see here, we received the, let me show you this. As you can see right here, this liquidity right here. You can see this liquidity right here. Then we received an institutional move that came in and swept all the liquidity. So here we have some bearish, what? Some bearish momentum. Remember, we have this level right here. This level right here, it wasn't mitigated, as you can see right here, and you can see we have some imbalances right here, but that's not the case. The trend is an uptrend. So what I'll be looking for, I'll be waiting for this price, this asset, to go up, then they will consolidate, then they will drop in this range, then I'll be looking for buying opportunities, making this my TP1 right here, and this will be my TP2. You get my point, guys? But this, at least we should watch this imbalance right here, and this level that wasn't mitigated. So here we have to first watch and see how money will react. But for me, I'm still bull on the Euro USD. At least I want to see the Euro USD at least the more pushing more up. So if they push in this zone, that's when we shall be looking for selling opportunities here. At least then I'll be looking for selling opportunities to bring back this asset right here. Get my point, guys? Yeah. For the Euro USD, at least I could like to see them at least pushing more up. They come back in this zone right here at around, let me see, it will be 1.101594. Then we shall bring this price back. So I think that's for the Euro USD. I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Those that are in my Telegram group, I'll be giving you more updates about it. So I think that's for the Euro USD, guys. Let's not waste a lot of time. Let's approach the gold. Let's approach ZAO USD. ZAO USD gold, not for the week. Okay. Let's see what is currently the USD, the ZAO USD currently doing. Okay, let's see. So guys, this is the ZAO USD. So ZAO USD was currently consolidating right here, but received some in the higher, on the higher time frame. We are consolidating. As you can see, this could be a major level for the deck for the USD. As you can see, let me show you this. This is the major zone. As you can see, that price has been touching this zone multiple times. Then they tried breaking it. They made a retest. You see how it was trapping traders. So they came in, you see, they tried breaking. So gold has been praying from this range multiple times, as you can see. So the more it was praying, it was even creating some liquidity. As you can see this liquidity right here. Hope you can see this. Let me use this. You can see this liquidity right here. It was created right here, and then they made an institutional move that came in and they removed this liquidity. But the same applies this area right here. You can see this liquidity right here. We can see some liquidity right here on gold. You can see we still see this liquidity that wasn't yet taken. So that's why I'm confident that the XY has still to sell and the USD still has to buy. You get my point, guys? As you can see, this liquidity right here was not yet taken out. This liquidity right here was not taken out, and as you can see right here down, this liquidity down here was taken out. You get my point? Here we had another block. That's why those that followed my setup on gold, you remember we took this trade. I told you that the gold has to first buy, then we sell, then we buy. Here is the move. The move was right here. You can go back and check on my Telegram, on my what? you can check on my YouTube videos. You'll find that setup for gold, whereby I told you guys, let me show you, where was it? So it was around here on these weeks. I told you we have to first buy the gold, then we sell it, then we take it back. You get my point? So we have to remove these weeks. Remember, the market will never, you remember my words that I used last time, the recent video. Even you can go back and check. We took this what? We took this area right here. We took this buy, then we took another sell, then we bought again. You can check on my YouTube video. I know it's not very far, just 3 days ago, so you can check it out. So guys, the gold we are still analyzing. Let me first remove this. This was just to show you how structure has been moving. So this is, consider this to be, let me just write it for you. Where's my text? Okay, yeah, it is. Consider this to be liquidity. Liquidity, is it the SP liquidity? Okay, let's see liquidity. Let me clone this. Liquidity, you can see we have more liquidity right here. So this liquidity down here was taken out. This liquidity right here was taken out. As you can see, we received an institutional move that came in and swept all the liquidity. So what I'm interested right now is seeing this, the market maker at least trying to remove this buy side liquidity. You get my point, because the sell side liquidity was swept. So what I'm interested in seeing right now is the buy side liquidity being removed. As you can see, this what? This gold has been consolidating, and those that trade price action here, you, as you can see right here, this asset has been playing from this range right here, but currently we saw it's again on the same level right here. So that's why, and remember, the level was broken from up, then we are receiving a retest, meaning that gold is interested in the buying opportunities right now. So where shall we be taking our buying opportunities from? If I go deep in the lower time frames, let me show you this, guys. If I dig into lower time frames, the lower time frames, as you can see right here. So right here, let me remove. So right here, you can see that gold is right now on the major level. You get my point? So what we should be looking to see, at least for them to, at least to give us some change of structure, some straight change of structures. Because sorry for that. As you can see, currently the gold is currently still on the what? Still on this, what should I say? It's still showing that it's moving down. It has been moving down. As I told you, the structure breaking, going down, but currently we saw it's not breaking, going down. You can see this, it's not breaking down, but later on we haven't yet broke this nearby high. You get my point? So at least what I'm interested in seeing, it's at least this asset to break, showing some momentum. While showing some momentum, then we'll watch it giving a pullback. This is where we shall be buying it from, but don't buy it unless it breaks structure with some momentum. Then we wait for a pullback. You get my point? Remember here, if you draw our trend line right here, the price was not yet, we haven't yet broken this previous swing high, but still, as you can see, we haven't broken the previous swing high, indicating us that this price still, okay, like this price, the bears are losing momentum. You get my point? So that's why I'm mainly interested in buying opportunities. But right now, let me show you. Let me show you this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. So we shall be taking longs on the gold. Um, let me show you where I shall be targeting. At least leave some space for the for your blockers space, because I'm pretty sure a few people are on the zero spread account. So we shall be interested in the 1987.708. I'm saying that just to leave some space for your what? For your blocker, the spreads indicator. But mainly for me, I'm interested in this level of 1988.322. You get my point? But I will be taking the buys after this price giving me some break of structure right here. As you can see, if you look on, let me remove this. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Let me show you. Let me show you. So currently, as you can see, we have been breaking, but not breaking the previous swing highs. You see here, not breaking the previous swing highs, but breaking, going down. But currently here, we see the price didn't break again down. Get my point? So it started, you see. So let's wait for this previous swing high to be swept, then we receive a pullback. Get my point? Pullback. After receiving a pullback, maybe in this range, then we shall take the buys. You get my point? So that's why, guys, I always recommend join our Telegram group so that we keep you updated on each and everything. And guys, don't forget on about our ongoing program of finding traders, those that are consistent. If you are consistent, don't hesitate to DM the anonymous traders. You get my point, guys? So guys, those that have been listening, those that paid attention, I already gave the question, the words that I've been saying. I have already given the question. Those that will get the answers right, guys, you win yourself 5k. 5k USD. You get my point? You win yourself 5k USDs. Get my point? So those that have been paying attention, you have already got that question. So guys, thank you. Have a blessed day.